Yo, 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 what's going on, good people? It's your main man, Cortez, Coach Thornton, your favorite fatherpreneur, founder of ThorntonBusinessAcademy.com. Listen, for those of you who are in my econ rocking it out, man, congratulations. You made the best decision of your life. If you are not actively building this thing to the best of your ability, man, stop sleeping on what you have your hands on. It is the best thing since sliced bread in terms of building wealth for you and your family, but also doing the noble thing of helping others get their finances in order too. So let me show you guys how to take advantage of the Thursday night webinar, how to code it to your myEcon join link. So all you have to do is invite and get people there and let the team do the rest. Come on, guys. Where else can you go join a company where 6, 7, and even 8-figure earners are actually doing presentations on a weekly basis, and all you got to do is become a professional inviter and get people in front of that presentation. So let me show you exactly what you need to do to code that link to you, so when you invite people, you will get credit for the sale.
Thornton Business Academy presents the Digital Empire System.
Okay, guys, so here I am at a new, open a new tab or new browser. And what you want to do, the website of the actual webinar is watchthisnow.co, right? Now, in order for you to code it to you, you have to give it a command. And here's the command: / ID equals. And what does the question mark equal? Or what ID is this going to equal to? It's going to equal to your myEcon username. So if I did my username, which is H Cortez, I hit enter. Now it's going to take me to the webinar, but both of the buttons that's at the bottom of the webinar will be coded to me. Now, the webinar is going to start in just under 4 hours. So right now, there are no join buttons for you to click on because the webinar hasn't started. But when the webinar starts, there's going to be 2 buttons that's going to appear. One is going to say join now, and one is going to say learn more. The join now button is going to take them to your myEcon registration page so they can join your team. The Learn More button is going to take them to your opportunity video on your myEcon website. So if they decide to join from there, you still get credit for the sale. And the most amazing thing, guys, is the top leaders, the top earners in the company are the ones presenting on this webinar each and every Thursday night. So this is an amazing thing. And let me just recap and show you one more time. So I'm going to go into an empty browser. The webinar or the website, the page that this webinar is hosted in is watchthisnow.co. Don't get confused and put .com. .co. Watchthisnow.co. Then you have to give it the command. Again, what is the command? / ID, and what is the ID equal? You have to put the equal sign in there. And so, for instance, if I wanted tonight's traffic or the credit for the sales to go to my wife's join link, then I would do a Kane. And then I hit enter. And now it brings up the same page. Everybody's going to see the same webinar, but the join button is going to be coded to you, my friends. This is a true game changer. If you're not using the Thursday night webinars to your advantage and becoming a professional inviter to it, you are missing out, my friend. So let me just give you some tips. Do not put your watchthis.co / ID equals. Do not put that website on Facebook in its raw form. If you're marketing on Facebook, go over to bit.ly, bit.ly, so that you can actually mask that domain at least, because Facebook has been blocking those domains. So if you're doing that, then don't put it directly out there on Facebook. Matter of fact, let me just show you how you can do that. So let me jump back into screen share. I'm going to go into my bit.ly account. So bit.ly/, oh, I don't have to do a /. I just go straight there, and I'm probably already logged in. So I'm going to go back to the one where I have my username in there. Or let me do the one with my wife's, because I don't have a bit.ly link with my wife's login. So bit.ly, what that's going to allow you to do is create a link shortener. So I'm going to go ahead and hit shorten the link, or hit create. Now it's going to ask me to paste in the long link, which is the watchthis.co. And as you can see, it has shortened it and created this link right here. So I'm first going to give it a title, and I like to call mine 7-Figure Mastermind. Then it allows me to customize this. So I can do Thursday night LEE. So that lets me know this one goes to my wife's join page. So Thursday night, I think I got that right, LEE. And then all I have to do is first get rid of this chick. She's trying to get me to do something with, all right. No, I want to close that too. There we go. No, lady, move. And then all I want to do is hit save. And now I have that link right here. Copy it to my timeline, or I copy it to my clipboard rather. And if I open up Facebook, you'll see that I can put it in Facebook, and it at least mask that link. So Facebook will be less likely to block it, because if everybody starts using the same link, Facebook will block it, and we don't want that to happen. So now I can come out here, create a Facebook post that link in there, and then I would do some sort of teaser. You know, I probably wouldn't put that link out right now. I just say, hey, who wants to hop on a 7-Figure Mastermind? Comment me. And then I would then come back and go ahead and post whatever it is. When they say me, I would inbox them this link privately. And then later, as we get closer to the time that the webinar is going to start, I might go ahead and blast it out. Now, that is the generic way. If you just got started, great. It's cool. It will work for you. But watch this. If you're an advanced marketer, then you want to go ahead and get you a domain name and run that to a capture page first. So if I do www.joincorteznow.com, this actually goes to a capture page where I grab their name and email address before they go to the watchthisnow.co website. Who seriously wants to learn how to make $1,000? I like to always put the comma in when I'm putting those numbers up. 1,000 per week online. We have 7 7-figure teach you how to do just that. Click below to register. Bang. So, and then if I hit post, it should come up with the share image that I have. Something is wrong because my share image didn't show up. But as you can see, it takes them to a opt-in page where they can learn and put in their name and email and say, yes, I want access. So if I do that, put in email first. So I'll just click that email there. Yes. And then it takes them to the same place, but now there's a situation where I can actually follow up with them and say, well, I don't know how that happened because that's not my ID right there. So I got to go into my actual editing page and go ahead and change that out. So I was probably testing this out because that's one of my teammates' ID right here. And I know what I did. I created a funnel for him, and then I shared it with him using Builderall. So I got to go in and change it to my link to get that done right. But that's how you would do it. If you're an advanced marketer, you should be building an email list, and that's how I would set it up. You might not have time to do that tonight if you're not that good at doing funnels. Nevertheless, eventually that's how you want to set it up going forward. Tonight, just go ahead and switch out the user ID at the end. Share it to people. If you have an email list already, blast it to your email list. And get as many people in front of Freddie and the crew as you can. And they close hundreds of people every Thursday using that webinar. So you want to make sure that you are in the place. And if you can't be there, you still should be inviting people to be there. So if you're not a part of myEcon already, then you definitely want to click on the link below and check out tonight's webinar and see if it's a good fit for you. We love to have you on board. And we're serious. We can show you how to make $1,000 a week using a simple two-step system. So if you want to be a part, check out the link below so that you can register for the webinar. And then if you like what you see tonight, you'll be able to click on the join button and you'll join me and my team, and we'll show you how to get this thing done. I'm your boy Cortez, Coach Thornton. Until I talk to you the next time, get your money up because you absolutely can do it. But more importantly, you deserve to do it, each and every one of you. So hustle up.